Hi, Reese here with the Transform U 4-in-1 Nose and Ear Trimmer. This is the third and the top of the lineup from Transform U in their nose and ear trimmer range. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Inside, we have the trimmer itself with protective cover for the rotary head, and then interchangeable heads included. We have the eyebrow, which comes with adjustable guide. It has a short and long side option. Then we have the sideburn trimmer, which is perfect for around the ears, sideburns, and back of the neck. This comes with a clip-on guide comb of 2mm. The fourth attachment is the rotary shaver head, perfect for small areas like cheeks and neckline. To charge and power the unit, you have included USB-C to USB-A cord and wall plug with USB-A port. To keep it clean, you've got cleaning brush to take care of all those blades. And finally, to store everything, you have the included pouch. Top of the Transform U range and a great option in the nose and ear trimmer category, the 4-in-1 really does offer so much. You can check it out, available now at your local shaver shop and online at shavershop.com. Thanks everyone.